हाँ जी आना जी,
Yes.
अभी आपने बताया आप खुश हैं.
I'm so happy, very
So
cooperative
I hope.
staff. Yes, very well. Like all the staffs are very good, very soft, like polite. No one showing anger and all. How many times we call disturbs anybody, nobody shows attitude and I'm just simply said, yes ma'am, yes. I'm
So
so satisfied.
now coming back to the point कि how was your stay here? स्टाफ के बारे में तो आपने बताया.
Yeah, great.
जब आप यहाँ आए थे, first time when you came here
For admission.
for no for consultation.
Okay.
तो मैंने आपको सारा समझाया था. I had given you that brief about all the procedures and
Yes.
the laparoscopic sleeve gastrectomy जो आपका हुआ है procedure, and जिसके बाद आप आज you are going back home today.
Yes.
So after your surgery, जब आप आए पहले आप investigate हुए and then you got admitted on a Friday
27.
which was 27th of December 2024, and
Yes.
you got operated on 28th,
28th.
which was a Saturday,
Yes, and same day I walked.
and same day you
Yeah.
walked. Now this is what I wanted to hear from you.
I, I understand.
Okay, so you walked from
After-
where?
From operation.
From operation theatre you walked all the way,
Yes, till
and you went where?
I went to ICU.
So operation theatre is on the third floor,
Third
and
floor and I
and-
went I think first floor.
yeah, and you walked down the stairs,
Stairs, by walk, yes.
or you used any kind
no,
of lift
no,
or
no
anything?
stretcher, nothing. I walked by myself. And like exactly, I even don't know that my operation done and just walking.
You know,
Stairs and all.
was it too painful or something, or
No painful for me.
just
I didn't even feel that I did it that time.
any
Wasn't felt.
any issues that you faced, like nausea, vomiting, कुछ ऐसा हुआ है कि
that
उल्टी अब
is,
जैसा लग रहा
I
है या?
feel because during explanation you already told me also
कि
that
थोड़ा सा
if
खिंच
you
लगेगा.
choose this you will feel this, like nausea, vomiting, what advantage, this and why, everything you explained. So now I'm feeling little vomiting, nausea. Is
Nausea.
correct, yeah.
Nausea is correct, but not vomiting.
Not vomiting, nausea.
And how was your experience in the ICU? मतलब,
Great,
were
great.
you walking in the ICU, or
Yes, I do.
or were you put on monitors and
No, nothing,
ventilator?
no
and
ventilation, nothing. Just lying and walking when I want to go to washroom. And from ICU also, staff were taking me for walk, night,
Where?
for stairs.
So you were climbing stairs.
Yes, that time also.
How many floors up did you go? Did you?
I
मतलब,
think
did
two
you?
floor.
Oh, so that means you again went to the OT.
Yes.
वो जो OT के बाहर वो जो मंदिर है.
Every day I'm seeing even today. And then when they shifted me, like after ICU, three floor up and down, OT till ground floor where I was.
So I hope that now that you're going back, I mean, Kanak ma'am has explained you because
Yes.
she's written this book by her own
She
self.
is. Wow.
So you should be happy that you're getting a book from the author herself.
Thank you, Kanak
Otherwise,
ma'am.
otherwise this book is also on Amazon, to help people.
Oh, really?
But you're getting it
From ma'am.
from the author directly.
Wow, thank you, ma'am. She explained me very well each and everything.
I hope you will.
Yeah, if anything
follow.
issue, even she was on leave, I used to call her. She never ignored me. She answers me everything.
That's because she just got married.
Yeah, I know, and I congratulate her first day when I saw her first time.
So,
Yeah.
anything you have to say? You are her sister, right?
Yes.
So anything you have to say? कि आप मतलब आप खुश हैं इनके ऑपरेशन से?
हाँ,
क्या?
खुश है। अभी हम दोनों में कंपैरिजन होगा, कंपटीशन.
नहीं, बट अपना ध्यान रखना, जैसे आपको बताया, बिकॉज प्रोटीन, वाइटामिन एंड आयरन सप्लीमेंट्स थोड़े से ज़रूरी हैं. बिकॉज सी, आपको स्टार्टिंग में भी समझाया था मैंने कि जो बेसिकली बॉडी है ना, बॉडी में वेट जो है, वेट, फैट, वाटर, मसल और बोन्स, 4 चीज़ों का है. तो फैट एंड मसल फैट एंड वाटर हमारे को कम करना है,
मसल्स
और मसल और बोन्स हमें बढ़ानी है. तभी आपकी सैगिंग, स्किन सैगिंग भी कम होएगी. नो, ऑनेस्ट टू गॉड. सो प्रोटीन, वाइटामिन का, आयरन का थोड़ा स्पेशल ख्याल रखना अपने में. एंड जो इसमें एक्सरसाइज आपको बताई हैं, रूटीन लिखी हुई हैं, ट्राई डूइंग इट.
यस, दैट
रेस्पिरेटरी तो करो ही करो, बिकॉज अभी आपको कॉफ भी थी पीछे.
Now even I see same day operation day. I don't know how my all cough gone. I was so surprised. I'm not coughing in
No,
ICU.
that
also.
is because जो
Because before one night.
when we give the anesthesia, that time the anesthesia is very high PEEP. PEEP is positive end expiratory, आपका positive end expiratory pressure. So because it is so high PEEP कि पूरे lungs खुल जाते हैं. So उससे आपकी snoring is the first thing to go. So gently.
I don't snore. Before also I wasn't.
चलो ठीक है. I'm so happy that you
Thank you, doctor.
that you really enjoyed the stay.
I'll give your when they will see me now. I'll definitely give your suggestion that this doctor is very, because many people wants to do now. When they will see me, they will come to you also.
And now you have, madam's contact.
Yes, I do have.
And directly?
Direct I can. Yes.
Because
I need so much study for it. Sara to my efforts is there to find everywhere.
ठीक है. चलो, okay ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.